This lecture is from the Educational Psychology course by Dr. Bev Knox. It is titled, Qualities of a Good Teacher: Educational Options for Becoming an Excellent Teacher with Purpose. According to the American College of Education, a chosen path can guide you into becoming a better teacher. Many specialties are available, so knowing what grade you want to teach and what subject area you are passionate about is essential. Here are some educational options to take toward becoming a teacher. First, you can get your bachelor's degree. A bachelor's degree is crucial to becoming a good teacher. Though most states will require a bachelor's degree in education, alternative routes to licensure are also available. It will allow you to learn essential skills that will help you become a better teacher. Such skills include cognitive skills. A degree program grows your ability to recall, integrate, and analyze information. You will be able to foster critical and creative thinking skills that guide fluency, originality, flexibility, and adaptability in developing and adjusting to learner programs. Communication skills. Acquiring communication skills enables you to interact and collaborate effectively with your learners in delivering and assessing knowledge acquisition. Efficient communication is necessary when also engaging with students' families and colleagues. Research skills. The skills to initiate and complete data collection concerning learner performance and curricula are essential in effective instruction. A bachelor's degree program will guide you into effectively demonstrating, considering consequences, information presentation, and record keeping. Social skills. A good teacher is sensitive to ethical and integral processes of establishing functional relationships with all the school community members. The program will develop compassion, empathy, interpersonal skills, and internal motivation, skills you will require to impact your learners and effectively relate with your colleagues positively. Here is a list of some bachelor's degrees that would guide you into initial certification as a teacher. Bachelor of Arts in Elementary Education. Bachelor of Special Ed and Elementary Education. Bachelor of Special Education, mild to moderate. Bachelor of Science in Mathematics Education, middle grades. Bachelor of Science in Science Education, secondary biological science. Bachelor of Arts in Music Education. Bachelor of Science in STEM Education. You can also obtain a master's degree. Besides attaining a bachelor's degree, aspiring teachers should also think about acquiring a master's degree. A master's degree will upgrade your knowledge and help you learn more about your subject area. You will also acquire more effective ways of curriculum instruction. You can also obtain your teaching certification. To get hired after completing your degree program, getting certified to teach in the state where you are interested in teaching is essential. Getting certified gives you credibility as a teacher and is one of the state's quality measures for hiring teachers. Most states will therefore require teachers to have teaching certificates. Teachers are crucial in changing lives, inspiring dreams, and pushing individuals to realize their potential. Becoming an excellent teacher with purpose, you will be educating the next generation, promoting positive attitudes that shape society at large.